Danger doesn't send a warning text. 1 minute you're roasting marshmallows under the stars, and the next you're face to face with a wild raccoon who thinks he owns your campsite. Survival isn't about paranoias, about being prepared. Tools matter. Skills matter more. And today, we're talking about survival weapons that actually make a difference when things get real. Weapons aren't about Hollywood hero moments. They're about confidence and control. You don't need a bunker full of gear. Just need the right tools and the right mindset. Start simple. Start smart. A survival knife isn't just metal and grip, it's an extension of your hand. Cut rope. Carve wood. Prepare food. Defend yourself if you have to. But respect the blade always. Cut away from your body. Keep it sharp, and know how to use it before you need it. Practice now. Not when something's charging at you. Before choosing any weapon, understand your environment. Are you camping for a weekend or bracing for full survival mode? Different challenges need different tools. Out in the wild, your biggest threats aren't movie-style villains. They're real things like predators, unstable terrain, and human desperation. Think first. Choose accordingly. Then there's the bow. Silent, powerful, reliable. You don't have to be Robin Hood to use one well. With practice, a bow becomes a stealth tool for hunting and defense. Build one yourself from strong wood like hickory, and suddenly you've got old-school power in modern survival. Firearms. Powerful, yes. Necessary, maybe. Dangerous, definitely, if you don't respect them. Never carry a gun without proper training. Safety comes first, always. Learn your local laws. Store it safely. Keep your finger off the trigger until it's go time. And never, ever travel with a firearm unless you're fully responsible enough to handle it. No gear? No problem. The world is full of improvised weapons. A broken tree limb becomes a staff. A rock becomes a ranged weapon. Tie a sharp stone to a stick and boom, you've built a spear. Survival favors the creative. But here's the secret most people ignore. Your won't save you. Training will. Muscle memory is built before the emergency. Set up practice time. Try drills. Work with others. Test yourself. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. In the end, survival isn't about fear, it's about readiness. The wild rewards those who stay sharp, gear up, train hard, stay alert, because when the moment comes, you won't rise to the occasion, you'll fall to the level of your training. Be the one who's ready.